Hello and welcome to Biology Hub. And today we are going to discuss a topic which is human health and diseases. So we are going to start with the very basic introduction today. So let's proceed with the video. Okay, so first of all, we have to know what is health. Since the name of the chapter is health and diseases, so we are going to consider a short and basic introduction about health. So, how we are going to define health? Before that, we are going to just see a few things, how the earlier people used to relate health with, and then we are going to find out what exactly the definition of health was then and now, and then we are going to compare it, and finally we will be defining what is meant by health. So here it says in earlier times, health was defined as a state of mind or body which was controlled by humors. So in earlier times, during the Ayurveda and also in Greek, at that time, what happened? The people concerned, they said that health was defined as a state of mind or body which was controlled by four humors. In today, at present world, we know what health means, but we will start from the earlier times, and at that time it was defined as a state of mind or body, and it was controlled by four humors. Now humors here, it means a fluid. So four types of fluids were there, that is blood, okay, yellow bile, black bile, and phlegm. So these were the four humors which were responsible to control health. Now, first one is blood. So, what is blood? We all know what is blood. That is the red fluid particle or red fluid part of the connective tissue. That is our blood. Then coming to the second one, second humor, that is yellow bile. So, this is the bile juice which is secreted by the liver, and it will help in digestion by emulsification of fats. So, that is what is yellow bile. Black bile is something which can be we can say it as a cloth like thing, which is a cloth like thing. And here what happens, sometimes the RBCs, they get destroyed, and that substance we refer to as black bile. So if the concentration of black bile is going to increase, that means there will be some issues with health. So there will be good humor, there will be bad humor as well. So we can now say the good humors are this, and phlegm is something which is secreted by the lungs. So these are the four humors which are going to control the health that was considered in the earlier times. So that means these fluids should be in a balance in our body according to the earlier scientists, and these four humors are responsible to maintain a good health. So this is what it was said in during the earlier times. And now WHO, WHO, the World Health Organization, it has given certain other definition now, and that is health is defined as a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being. So this is a definition which is given by WHO, and here three things are most important, that is state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being. So these are the three parameters we can say which will help us to define or understand what is a good health. So WHO has defined it as a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being. So let us see this in detail. Now I'm going to show you with the help of a picture where you can see first it was physical. Okay, it was physical. So here you can see a diagram where everything is given about the brain, about lungs, okay, about other parts of the body. So basically here physical fitness means the different types of organs which are responsible for proper functioning of our body, and those type of organs, it should be working properly. So here physical fitness means all the organism or all the organs of our body, they are working well. Okay, mental Mental, as in I have shown here an animated image of a brain, a human brain, and it is showing that it's strong enough. So here you can say about the mental health. So according to the definition given by WHO, a state of complete physical, mental, and social well being. That means physical fitness is necessary, which will indicate that all the organs of our body are functioning well. Coming to the mental health, so mentally, if a person is strong, basically do not have any kind of stress or anxiety, then we can say that a person is healthy. So here in this picture, I have shown a strong brain, and this picture which is showing the person is at peace. So if you are mentally strong and you are not disturbed, you are not stressed, you do not have anxiety, you are at peace. So that is the second parameter of the definition. And third, that is social well-being. Social well-being here defines, or it describes that if a particular if a particular individual of the same species, how he is going to interact with other uh, people, how he is going to interact with the other nearby people, that is what is mentioned in the definition of social well-being. How we react with the people we meet of the same species. If we are going for a walk, for example, and if we see someone, how do we greet them? So that also depends what is the state of our health. So first one is, that is physical fitness, which here indicates that all our organs are functioning well. Then mental peace, if you are not suffering from any kind of stress or anxiety, you are at peace, and that is also included in the definition. Third one is social well-being, how do you socialize with people, and that can be given with an example, that if you are going to a walk, you meet people, how you react with those kind of people. What do you do when you meet? Do you greet that person, or do you just ignore it? So now the proper definition of health is that it can be defined as physical, mental, and also social well-being. So this is what today WHO has described health as. So this is what we can derive from the definition. So this is a basic thing that we are going to just consider for a basic introduction today. So this is what is health. Now coming to what exactly is needed to stay healthy. If you want to stay healthy, then what exactly do you need? That is, first is physical fitness. Physical fitness here again doesn't indicate the going to gym and all, going to do heavy exercise. Not that. Physical fitness here means your organs are working properly. Second one is good food. Good food as in pure food, water. Okay, that is your good food. Exercise, when you work hard, your organs work properly. There are metabolic activities going on in the cell in your body which will function properly. And then last but not the least is the hygiene. Okay, personal hygiene, how the surrounding environment is. These things are necessary, rather these things can be regarded as parameters to stay healthy. Okay, this is what we have come so far and understood, that if you want to define health, then you can define it as a state of your body, and the parameters will be regarding physical fitness, okay, mentally stable, and third one is social well-being, how you socialize with people. And these things are exactly needed to stay healthy. Next one is, what is disease? Since the chapter itself is about human health and disease, so health, somehow we have understood the basic concept of health. And coming to disease, what is disease? I have broken down the word and have shown over here with proper arrows. Here see, it is made up of two words, which is this and is. So here you can see, this means certain type of discomfort, disintegration, those type of things from which you are not very comfortable. And ease means how you carry yourself. If you carry yourself very easily, that means you ease your comfort level, you do your work with ease, with uh, lots of positiveness, you do not have any kind of discomfort, you do not have any kind of stress or anxiety. That is what is ease. And if you combine this, that is this ease, that means there is something which is, you can say it as discomfort. Because of that particular thing, you're not being able to carry up, you're not being able to carry your comfort. So that is what is disease. Okay, now health, we have come to know how you can stay healthy. Disease, for disease there are numerous criteria on how you can classify diseases. There are acute diseases, there are viral diseases, there are mm, infectious diseases, there are chronic diseases. So that those things we are going to discuss in the next video. And also we will classify diseases, and also in the next video I'm going to use some terms. Those terms we are going to use throughout the entire video. And so today I have just given the basic knowledge about what is health and what is disease. So further we can go on flow with the disease, and we will understand different types of diseases. So if you like the video, you can just like and subscribe it. Thank you for watching the video.